Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Masters the Concept, where we are mastering the concept, and in this series we are mastering the DSA. So let's have a look at today's problem. Before looking at today's problem, let's first review these two problems. First problem is prerequisite tasks, where we have given n tasks labeled from 0 to n minus 1, and some tasks may have prereqs. For example, to do task 0, we have to first complete task 1. So here we need to find, is it possible to finish all tasks or not. And second problem is alien dictionary, where we have given a sorted dictionary of an alien language having n words and k starting alphabets of standard dictionary. We need to find the order of the characters in the alien language. So can you tell me which concept we can use here to solve these kind of problems? Exactly, you are correct here. We can use topological sort. So today we will look at topological sort. Using BFS traversal. First, let's understand what is topological sort. Topological sorting is a way of arranging a directed acyclic graph. I will explain why it is a cyclic graph. So, topological sorting is a way of arranging a directed acyclic graph's vertices in such a way that for every directed edge from U to V, the vertex U comes before V in the ordering. Suppose we have this graph and this is the edges list of this graph. This can be a valid linear ordering of the vertices. Let's see how this can be a valid linear ordering. So if we look at these edges, so as per the definition, if there is a edge between U and V, means from U to V, the vertex U should come before V in the ordering. So here there is a edge from 5 to 0. So in this ordering 5 is coming before 0. That is true. This edge is fine. Now from 5 there is a edge to 2. So in this ordering 5 is coming before 2 also. So this is also fine. So now from 2 there is a edge to 3. So in this ordering 2 is coming before 3. So this is also fine. From 1 to 3 there is a edge and 1 is coming before 3. So this is also fine. Now there is a edge from 4 to 0 and 4 is coming before 0. So this is also fine. And there is a edge from 4 to 1 and 4 is also coming before 1, so that is fine. So this is a valid linear ordering. Now let's look at this ordering. So again, if we look at these edges list, so there is edge from 5 to 0. So here also 5 is before 0. So this is fine. Now there is edge from 5 to 2. So here 5 is coming before 2. So this edge is also fine. Now from 2 there is edge to 3. So 2 is coming before 3. So this is also fine. Now there is edge from 1 to 3. So 1 is coming before 3. So this is also fine. Now from 4 there is a edge to 0 and 4 is coming before 0 in this ordering. So this edge is also fine. And there is a edge from 4 to 1 and 4 is coming before 1 in this ordering. So this edge is also fine. So we can say that this is also a valid topological sorting. For a graph, multiple topological sortings can be possible. As I mentioned, topological sorting we can apply only over a cyclic graph. So let's understand why topological sorting is not applicable on cyclic graph. Suppose we have this graph. From 1 we can move to node 2 and from 2 we can move to 1. So here we can't have valid linear ordering as 1 should come before 2 and 2 should come before 1, which is not practically possible. So that's why topological sorting is not possible on cyclic graphs. Now let's understand topological sort in depth using this graph. As we are implementing topological sorting using BFS, so we need one queue. So let's have a queue here. Now here we need one array. Let's call it in degree. The size of this array will be same as the number of vertices. So let's have an array of size 6. So let's understand what is the purpose of this in degree array. It will keep the track of number of incoming edges to a node at a particular point. So let's first fill it. So for 0th node, number of edges are coming 2, so 2 will be here. For vertex 1, one edge is coming to 1, so let's put 1. For 2, one edge is coming from 5, so let's put 1. For 3, two edges are coming to 3, so let's put 2. Now edge is coming to 4, so the in degree will be 0, and for 5 it will also be 0 because no edge is coming to 5. Now we will look at this array, and from this array we will put all the nodes in this queue which have in degree 0. So currently 4 and 5 have in degree 0, so we will insert 4 and 5 in this queue. Now we will get 4 from this queue because first we inserted 4. So now from 4 we will look at its neighbors. From 4 we can move to 0 and 1. First, let's move to 1. Now we will decrease the in degree of 1 by 1. Current in degree of 1 is 1. So when we will decrease it by 1, so it will become 0. As current in degree of 1 is 0, so we will insert 1 also in this queue. Now we will move to 0 and we will decrease the current in degree of 0 by 1. Current in degree of 0 is 2, so when we will decrease it by 1, so it will become 1. As it is not 0, so we will not do anything with this 0th node. Now we will pick another node from this queue, that is now 5. Now we will look at the neighbors of this 5. From 5 we can move to 0 and 2. First, let's move to 0 and we will decrease the in degree of 0 by 1. Current in degree of 0 is 1. When we will decrease it by 1, it will become 0. As now current in degree of 0th node is 0, so we will insert 0 also in this queue. Now from 5 we will look at 2 and we will decrease the in degree of 2 by 1. Current in degree of 2 is 1, so it will become 0. As current in degree of 2 is also 0, so we will insert 2 also in the queue. Now we will remove 1 from this queue. Now we will look at the neighbors of 1. From 1 we can move to 3. Now we will decrease the in degree of 3 by 1. Current in degree of 3 is 2, so it will become 1. Now we will not do anything with the third node. So now we will remove 0 from this queue. And we will look at the neighbors of this 0th node, and from 0 we can't move anywhere, so we will remove another node from this queue, that is 2. Now from 2 we can move to 3. 3 is the neighbor of 2, so we will decrease in degree of 3 by 1. Current in degree of 3 is 1, so it will become 0. As now in degree of 3 has become 0, so we will insert 3 in this queue. Now we will remove 3 from this queue and we will look at the neighbors of 3. We can't move anywhere from 3, so we will ignore this, and now this queue is also empty. So that is done, and this is the linear ordering of the topological sort. So 4, 5, 1, 0, 2, 3. We can compare this ordering with this edges list. In this edges list, there is a edge from 5 to 0. So 5 should come before 0 in this ordering, and 5 is coming before 0. So this edge is fine. From 5, there is a edge to 2 and 5 is coming before 2. So this edge is also fine. There is a edge from 2 to 3 and 2 is coming before 3, so this edge is also fine. From 1 there is a edge to 3 and 1 is also coming before 3, so this edge is also fine. From 4 there is a edge to 0 and 1, and 4 is coming before 1 and 0 both, so both these edges are also fine. So we can say that this topological sorting is correct. Now let's implement the code. Here we have given the graph in the form of adjacency list and number of vertices are v. So what we need here, first we need one in degree array of size v. So let's have an in degree array. First, we will fill this in degree array. So how we can fill this in degree array? As we know, there are total v vertices and the starting vertex is 0th node. So we will run a loop from vertex 0 to less than v. Now we will look for the neighbors of all these vertices. So we will run another loop for the neighbors of each vertex. So let's have a for loop like this. So from this for loop, what is our understanding? We can say that there is an edge from this vertex to this neighbor. Means one edge is coming to this neighbor. So that's why we will increase the in degree of this neighbor by 1. Like this. So in this way, we will have the in degree for all vertices. Now we need one queue. So let's have a queue. Now we will iterate over this in degree array and we will insert all the nodes in this queue which have in degree 0. So let's have a for loop and iterate over this in degree array. So in this way, we will have the initial nodes in this queue, those have in degree 0. Now we will iterate over this queue until queue be empty. So let's have a while loop over this queue. And now we will remove all the nodes from this queue one by one. And here we will look for the neighbors of this current node. As I already explained. Now first we will decrease the in degree of this neighbor by 1. Now we will check if the in degree of this neighbor is 0, then we will insert it in the queue. Now as we need to return an array, so we will take one array, let's say answer, and the size of this array will be equal to v. And we will start inserting the nodes in this array from the 0th index. So let's have an index. And here we will insert the nodes in this array. So that's it. Now we will return this answer. Now let's try to compile this. This is fine. Now let's try to submit this. So this is fine. So for the space complexity, we can see we are using one in degree array of size v. So we can say that big of n and one this cube. For this also big of n. So it will be big of n plus big of n. That will be big of n only. And for the time complexity, it is mostly similar to BFS traversal. And as it is the directed graph, so the time complexity will be big of e plus v. So that's it. Thanks.